In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Xero integration in Monday.com. To get started, open Google Chrome and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're signed in, go to the specific board where you want this integration to work. It's important to choose the correct board from the beginning, because integrations in Monday.com are usually tied to the board you're currently viewing. That means the automation and syncing behavior you set up here will apply to this board, not to every board in your account. When you're inside the right board, look for the integrations option. Click on it to open the integration center for that board. This is where Monday.com lets you connect outside tools and services so they can work together with your workflows. If you use Xero for accounting or contact management, this is the place where you can start linking the two platforms in a more automated way. After the integrations window opens, find the search bar in the integration store, click into it, and type Xero. This will filter the available integrations and help you quickly locate the Xero app without having to scroll through a long list of options. In most cases, the search results will update as you type, making it easier to identify the correct integration. Once you see Xero in the results, select it to view the available workflow recipes. In Monday.com, recipes are pre-built automation templates that define what happens when a certain trigger occurs. For example, you may see a recipe like, when a status changes, sync contact to Xero. This means that whenever a status column in your board is updated in a certain way, Monday.com can automatically send or sync that contact information to Xero. Choose the workflow recipe that best matches the process you want to automate. Take a moment to read the wording carefully so you understand both the trigger and the resulting action. This is especially helpful if multiple recipes look similar, because selecting the right one now can save time later and help avoid unnecessary adjustments. And that's it for the setup path shown here. You've opened Monday.com, accessed the correct board's integrations, searched for Xero, and selected a workflow recipe to begin connecting the two systems. If you're following along, move slowly and double-check each screen so you can be confident you're choosing the right integration for your workflow.